Hello my babies, welcome back to another video. In today's video it is all about this unit from NEATandSLEEK. You guys, they were kind enough to send me this gorgeous braided wig. I have never owned a braided wig ever, so this is my first and I am just shocked and amazed. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys that little braid on top. This is the braid that is actually the baby hair, and I just love the fact that it's not in the way and it's braided down, and when you unbraid it you can just trim it and cut it down to however short you would like the baby hair to be. So the length is really perfect. Now another thing about this unit, it does come with an adjustable strap at the back and also its own strap thing like that one that I'm showing you guys right there. So the wig is very tight and it's really secured, so it's not going anywhere. And it does come with 3 combs, 1 at the back and 2 on the side, and also an extra lace at the back, which means you can also throw this unit in a high ponytail if you would like. And it also comes with an adjustable strap at the back. I don't know if I mentioned that, but it comes with another adjustable strap, so your wig is really not going anywhere. And one thing that I have to rave about, y'all, this unit, I didn't have to glue it down at all. Like, you guys are gonna see me install the unit. It did not have to be glued down. That's how secure the unit is, and I just love that. And look at how realistic this unit is, y'all. So beautiful, so bomb. And here we go. It is on my head and we're ready to cut that lace off and style it and all that good stuff. Now you guys, I did want to mention that this wig is made from virgin human hair lace wig, okay? So that means it's giving us a more natural look with the lace base to provide the more like illusion of the hair coming out of the scalp. The hairline is pre-plucked as well, and the knots are fully bleached already. So when you purchase this unit, just know everything is done for you. It just needs your head to be thrown on to this unit. Did that make any sense? We just need your head to be thrown on in this unit. That's it. That's all we need. Okay, so I am just unbraiding this braid that I told you guys earlier. It's the baby hair, and I'm also gonna style it. And when I did style it, you guys, I just winged it. I didn't want to cut it too short, so I kind of just went for this full baby hair, you know, vibe with it. And one more thing before I forget, y'all, I really can tell that this company took their time with this braided wig, because a lot of other companies, their braided wigs look so wiggy and bulky, but theirs is so realistic. It's crazy. I mean, like, you can definitely tell it's a wig now because I told you, but y'all was going crazy on Instagram when I took a picture and posted with this unit on. Y'all thought it was braids coming from my scalp, but no, I fooled y'all. It is a bomb wig from NEATandSLEEK. Period. Period. I will keep raving about this company because it has hit the books for me. It's hands down my favorite braided wig company that I have tried on. Even though it's my first braided wig company, trust me when I say this, y'all, I know good quality stuff. Like, I would rave about it, and you guys know when I know something is bomb, I'll talk about it to everybody and their mama know about it. Okay, so I'm just gonna place these jewelries in the braids just to give it a little bit of look, you guys, and that's pretty much it. Such a simple wig throw on. Like, it's pretty much the most easiest wig I have had to throw on. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave y'all. Make sure you check everything. It will be in the description box. I love y'all, and I'm gonna talk to you guys in another video. Bye. What is up, my babies? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Esther, and thank you so much for tuning in today's video, you guys. Today I have a wig tutorial. Oh my gosh. I have to get excited about this unit because, like, look, get into this unit, y'all. Get into it. I need to chill, but this unit is so bomb. I'm gonna tell you guys the detail of this beautiful unit. Now, you guys, this unit is from NEATandSLEEK. They were kind enough to send me this beautiful braided unit, y'all. I am so in love. Okay, now if you don't want to waste no time to get your hair done, like, you guys know, getting your hair braided is a pain in the butt, especially when you have to sit for hours. Now I got y'all today, you guys. Today it is all about this unit. You don't have to sit and get your hair braided for hours. Just throw on this beautiful unit forever. Okay, remember, this is a wig, so you can take it off, put it back on when you're tired of the braids. You can take it off. When you want to rock braids, you can put it back on, and it's still gonna look so fabulous, so bomb. I am just really shocked to how bomb this unit is. The quality of this unit is amazing, y'all. Now let me tell you guys more details about this unit. Now this is their full lace wig, okay? Now this is 24 to 26 inch The unit does pass me on the waist. Now I am 5 foot right on the dot, so it's pretty long on me. Now you guys seen in the beginning of this video, this unit does come with baby hair that I just had to unbraid and create and just lay down the baby hair like so. It was so easy to put this unit on, you guys. Y'all seen it with your own eyes. I did not have to glue this unit at all, like, thank God, because I am not really a crazy fan of gluing units down for it to be flat. So I'm really happy that this did not have to be glued down. But I do have to say, the sides of this unit, I did have to go ahead and grab my got-to-be spray and just spray it down. But y'all, who wants the little ends to be flopping outside and stuff? So you definitely need to use some got-to-be spray to just lay that down. But other than that, y'all, this unit was very easy to put on. I made it so easy for y'all so y'all can see how easy it is to put this unit on. All the details to this unit will be in the description box, y'all. Check them out because they're definitely worth every penny, every coin that you put in. They're bomb. So if you've been looking for like a braided wig and you know you're kind of iffy about it, definitely check out NEATandSLEEK. They're just amazing, amazing quality, and the unit is just beautiful. Like, let me stand up a little bit so you guys can kind of see like just how beautiful this unit is. Now here's the end. I can really style it in so many different ways as well. I was telling my sister I can do like a cute little side swoop like this and just, you know, like that. But I think this will be cute, just like a little side, I don't even know what to call this, and then just put the little jewelry a little bit more on the braids, and boom, you have one style out the way, and it's super cute. Or you can do another style like this. You know, there's so much you can do with braids, and then just get your headband and just tie it like this, and it's still cute. But I would definitely rock this unit down because it's way better and way prettier when it's down. I'll probably do different little hairstyles with it, have a little bit of fun with it. But other than that, y'all, beautiful unit. Like, my forehead is shining, 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 yeah. It's shining. All of this forehead, I've been losing my mind. But anyways, I love y'all so, so much. You know, I'm sana, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Like I mentioned, all of the details will be in the description box. Definitely check them out, you guys. I love y'all. Thank you for tuning in today's video. If you're new, I'll see you guys in my next.